Yeah, that's perch. Definitely a perch. Oh, the waves are gonna break. Welcome back to another episode. We're hitting the beach early today. I don't know if you can hear it right now, but the winds are already at like 11 miles an hour. They're kicking up way up today. So we're gonna get a good, hopefully at least a couple hour session today. We're hitting the beach with the new Battlestar. We've successfully caught fish on the chrome sardine, the mackerel one, the super glow one, the chrome sardine with the gold cheeks. And today we're gonna start off, since it's dark out right now at the moment, we are gonna start off with the Mimi fish one, the pink one, the pink sardine, because I haven't caught a fish on it yet. And I'm actually gonna try and challenge myself and catch a fish on every single Battlestar that is out. So, and they just came out with a new one. Yeah, I think there's like what, 2 or 3 that I haven't tried yet, or no, 3 or 4 that I haven't caught a fish on. So the goal, I'm challenging myself to catch fish on every single Battlestar. We are gonna fish for, you know, perch, halibut, striper, and I see a nice hole right in front of me, so I'm gonna start making casts. And then maybe when the sun shines a bit, we'll throw in a different color. We'll throw in that mackerel color, and I've been throwing it the last 2 days, and I have trifected out with striped bass, halibut, and perch. Actually, I guess you'd say quad, because I caught a jack smell. So yeah, I'm gonna throw in this nice hole right here, see if there are anything swimming around. We have an east coast wind, so the wind is blowing in my face at least 11 miles an hour at the moment. And I don't have my waders on. I forgot them at home, so we're rocking some chanclas, leggings, and shorts with the jacket, the 8 fans jacket. And right now my upper body's warm. I can't get a far cast in chanclas. I don't want to get in the water today. So we're gonna try and cast as far as we can, and hopefully like the last few days, the perch have been in tight, as well as the halibut and the striped bass. They've been in super tight, literally where the water is right now, like right there. I've had fish hit, so hopefully they're in close still. You know, I'm at a disadvantage right now without my waders. It wouldn't be a Mansera Outdoors video if I didn't forget something, right? So my slipper came off my foot, and I tried to grab it with my foot, and when I was able to slip my foot back into the slipper, the water got me. You know what, might as well freaking take these damn slippers off anyways, huh? I'll take my socks off too. You know, we just had a really hot weekend, and then in the beginning of the week, Monday, Tuesday, yesterday, yeah, yesterday was Tuesday, we're back in our normal 70-degree weather. And then at the end of this week, it's supposed to heat back up again, and the winds are supposed to die down. So it looks like this weekend the fishing should be good again. Well, it's been good, but should be better than the last 2 days. Yesterday was okay. We caught about 30 perch, 2 halibut, 3 striped bass. Almost landed a 25-inch striped bass. That would have been number 4. But yeah, I didn't want to get wet, but you know, the water doesn't feel that bad for it being however many degrees, and for the winds to be up this early in the morning. Well, at least in this case, I'll be getting further casts now that I'm going to be in the water. Our cutoff time fishing is going to be 10 o'clock. So we got a little over 3 hours right now. We're just going to hit another hole. Just scanning. Does this look good? We'll make a cast right here. We'll make one more cast after this. The waves are rolling in nice. Beautiful. I see the next hole that I'm gonna hit. Oh, that's a fish. Okay, I'm glad I stopped right here. That's a fish. Oh, what is this? They had a couple head shakes. There's another couple head shakes. Doesn't feel like a perch unless it's like coming in sidewards. Oh no, it's a perch. It's a perch. That's a good perch. That's a good perch. That's a good perch. First fish on the Mimi fish. Battlestar. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a solid 12 and a half. The waves are huge today. Whoa, I'm gonna stay back. I'll wait for the waves to come way over here, because that's too far out of my comfort zone. Oh, there's a fish. Yeah, that's perch. Definitely a perch. Oh, the waves are gonna break. Oh my god, the waves almost freaking crashed on it. Oh, there's a little dinky guy. Well, that's the second one on the Mimi fish. Lure. Another fish, another perch, another perch. Oh, that's a good one. That's a really good one. Oh my god, please don't come off. Yeah, that's another good one. That's another good one. That's a 13. Yeah. If not 12 and a half. That's a good one. Oh! Another perch. Ah, I came off. Oh, these waves are freaking killing it. It's so rough out here. Like, look at that. It's like joo. Whoa. It's like joo in many different directions. Wow, it's pretty crazy. You know, even if I did have my waders on today, I wouldn't get anything close to that. I would still stay where I'm at right now. I'm like barely comfortable where I'm at right now. There's a fish. Went a little while without a fish, but that's a good perch. Yep, that's a good perch. Have the waves help me bring it in. Oh yeah, that's a good perch. Yeah, that's a solid 13, 12 and a half. Hey Edward, check it out. We got a hooked perch pouch out here, as well as the Hawaiian custom rod. You know, I'm rocking my Hawaiian custom rod. I don't have the perch pouch, I got the stringer. All right, Norman, great to meet you. Nice to meet you. Have a good day. All right, so I got to meet a guy out here. His name's Norm. And you know, I noticed that he had a hook to cook perch pouch in the Hawaiian custom, so I thought I'd stop and say hi before I continued fishing my way back. That is going to conclude our surf fishing session. It wasn't as great as the last few days, but it was as good as what we used to be. Now we're spoiled. Could we have possibly caught more fish, bigger fish with another color? Probably, but I wanted to give it a shot, not only because I haven't caught anything on the Mimi fish lure. You know, we're in October. It's breast cancer awareness month. I guess you could say my little way of showing a bit of support by throwing some pink in the surf. And you know, usually, you know, especially in high school, you know, we did that for football, and you know, a lot of professional sports do that. in the month of October, you know, and support. And yeah, you know, the Mimi fish lure got it done. The fish even love the pink, and you know, I'm happy that we were able to capitalize on some fish with the Mimi fish lure. And if you haven't go check the Mimi fish channel out, make sure to go check it out. You know, the Mimi fish family. You got Rich, you got Amy, and of course Mimi. So make sure to go check them out. They do a ton of really a ton of all types of fishing. Really, they're in the Bay Area, and actually this specific one they gave to us when me, Leroy, Edward, and our crew, you know, our crew went up to NorCal. You know, they supplied us all with the Mimi fish lures. Haven't caught anything since till today with it, and you know, super grateful that, you know, when we do go up there, they have let us stay in their Airbnb. You know, I'm grateful to call them, that I am able to call them friends. I always look forward to them either coming here or us going up there, because you know, they're some great company.